Hey everyone, this is Todd from Mark's Leisure Time Marine. Today we're going to take a look at the 2026 Barletta Cabrio 22QC. Let's check it out. We customized this Barletta in the black diamond with gray moonstone accenting with the blackout rail package for a sleek finish. Equipped with a tri-tune package, this gives you a 50-gallon fuel tank and plenty of in-floor storage. Barletta is known for their patented VIP technology. The below deck construction includes a hybrid cross-member configuration, wide and sturdy end brackets, reinforced nose cones, and sturdy splash fins, as well as single-stage lifting strikes, full-length underbelly skin for better on-water performance. And you also get your metal jacket protectant for your pontoons as well. At all four corners, you have your stainless steel pop-up cleats and the quick-release fender system. And at the bow, you have your docking and navigation lights. At the stern, you have your upgraded lily pad ladder, making boarding much easier. And a stainless steel tow bar cage with a center fuel fill, powered by the Mercury 200 horsepower V6 outboard for great on-water performance. You will also find ghost mounts at the stern for additional upgrades like the lily pad diving board. Standard on this Cabrio is your power bimini top for easy deployment. Getting into the floor plan, the QC stands for the quad lounge layout with fold-down armrest and a co-captain's chair. The upholstery is a Marquesian gray, comfortable with detailed stitching throughout. Under all the seats, you have plenty of ventilated storage. The aft starboard lounger is where you'll find your battery switch. You have recessed cup holders found throughout the boat and charging ports on the starboard loungers. The co-captain's seat swivels and moves forward and aft with cup holders, phone holders, and charging ports. Integrated into the port side lounger is a flip-up table and trash receptacle. The Barletta helm station is the best in the industry, with the raised helm seat for a great vantage point while you're underway. The helm features standard gauges and switches, 7-inch SIMRAD displays for chart plotters and navigation, wireless phone charger, and your JBL audio head unit with your 4 speakers. Also integrated into the helm is a lockable glove box and dog dish, which is standard on all Barlettas. Overall, the Cabrio 22UC is a well-equipped pontoon with all the features you need for a great summer on the water. See us at Mark's Leisure Time Marine for a personal viewing. Subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.